Hey guys, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick little review and talk about this Android Auto CarPlay device I got. I recently put one in my 350Z, very affordable one. It was a small 7-inch one. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get that one or you can watch that video. But this is one, it's a slightly bigger one, 8.9 inches I got for my Infiniti. This is a 2017 Infiniti QX70, and I love the vehicle, but infotainment wise is a bit outdated. It does have Bluetooth audio and it has the Bose stereo, but the navigation has long been out and I haven't used that since I've gotten it really. I use Waze or Google Maps or something. And of course what we like about CarPlay and Android Auto is that it has all of that. You can use Waze or you can use Google Maps or whatever it is that you like. You can talk text and it'll read your text to you and all of those things. So that's one of the things I love about CarPlay, and I didn't really grow to appreciate it until my wife's vehicle that we got about a year ago. It had it. It's a newer Lexus and it has it, and I've grown to really like it when I'm in her vehicle. So I wanted to add that to mine, and there are ways that you can do that. There's expensive GROM units and different things that can go in the factory screen, but they're $700-800 plus installation and things like that. So I've seen these on Amazon and other places, and I was curious if they worked and how well. Again, I put one in my Z that's much more affordable even than this one, but it's smaller. I wanted to fit in the factory console area, and I did that. And this is one that I got for my Infiniti. I had actually put it on my Christmas list. It cost a little bit more, but I've been very happy with it. The refresh rate is quick. There's several mounting options. You can stick it on your dash, but my dash is very curvaceous. In this Infiniti, it doesn't have a real flat surface. It's very textured. And so I chose to just mount it on the windshield with a suction cup like so. And I tucked the wire down into the crevice there, ran it to my A-pillar and down and underneath my glove box to plug into my power outlet here. So this is not an Infiniti or Nissan specific part by any means. This is something that you can use in virtually any vehicle. It can go Bluetooth, which is how I have mine set up. But if your car doesn't have Bluetooth in your factory system or your aftermarket system, whatever your car is using, you can also do the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack aux input. And if your car doesn't have that availability, then you can also use a FM transmitter, like a FM station that's not being used. You could do that as well. So those are all the options, and that'll work with virtually anything. Now, I'm using Bluetooth, and one of the hesitations I had for getting one of these in the first place was that I wanted to make sure that my phone calls were still going to come through my factory system, and the music, of course, was going to come through my factory system and not through whatever cheesy speakers were on the device itself. And so that was put to bed when I realized that my phone can Bluetooth to two devices at one time. And so my phone Bluetooths to the screen, but it also, and basically just to have your kind of a screen mirroring and have the things of CarPlay, but it also Bluetooths to my my stereo, my factory stereo, so my phone calls, my music all still come through the car. It's just I have the control availability to use the screen, and I love that. So I can do all the things that we love about CarPlay and whatnot, but it also you can do have your music come through here. So all the things that we love about CarPlay, for it reading our text to us or being able to text reply with our voice, using whatever GPS you want to use, your music and whatever apps you want to use, whatever's on your phone, it'll just show up on there. That's what I love about it, and everything else that my car always did for me being able to do phone calls and use the radio controls and everything from my steering wheel. Everything works the way it always did. And so for this device, I definitely give it 5 stars. I'm very happy with it. Again, not trying to sell you anything, just wanted to show something that works for me. This is not an endorsed video by any means. Nobody gave me this. I'm not paid to do this. I just wanted to share something that I'm actually using and has worked well for me, so maybe it'll help some of you out there. If so, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.